The first step to replacing the front tire is to turn the ignition switch off and remove the key. Lift the mower hood and disconnect the spark plug wire. Block the rear tires to keep the riding mower from rolling. Position the jack under the frame and jack up the riding mower to raise the front wheel. Place a jack stand under the frame to support the riding mower. Remove the jack. Pull off the axle cover. Remove the retaining ring and then pull off the washer. Pull the tire off the axle. Pull off the back washer. Remove the valve stem cap. Remove the valve stem core, which lets any remaining air out of the tire. Break the tire bead and pry the tire off the wheel rim on one side. Pry the tire off the rim on the other side. Clean the wheel rim. Set the new tire flat on a work surface. Lubricate the top tire bead with liquid detergent. Pry the rim into the top side of the tire. Use blunt tools to pry the tire to avoid damaging the new tire bead. Flip the rim and tire over. Lubricate the tire bead with liquid detergent. Pry the remaining side of the tire onto the rim. Fill the tire with air to seat the tire bead. Reinstall the valve stem core. Fill the tire fully with air. Reinstall the valve stem cap. Insert the back washer on the axle. Slide the wheel on the axle. Reinstall the washers and snap the retaining ring onto the axle. Push the axle cover onto the wheel. Push the jack under the frame and raise the riding mower, and then pull out the jack stand. Lower the riding mower to the ground. Remove the wood blocks from the rear tires. Reconnect the spark plug wire and lower the mower hood.